This transformation will be left 4, down 2, this translation. Okay? So, my first point will be at -4, 2. So the next point I'm going to plug in here is -3 for x. So that'll be the cube root of -3 plus 4 minus 2. Gives me the cube root of 1 minus 2. So that's 1 minus 2, which gives me -1. Then I'm going to plug in -5. So that'll be the cube root of -5 plus 4 minus 2. Shall be the cube root of -1 minus 2, which shall give you -1 minus 2, which is -3. Sorry, I've forgotten to put that negative on there. So we got -5, -3 there. Okay, so again, from here, the domain is all real numbers, so you can pick any x value. I am going to pick 4 because that's going to give me a perfect cube root. Cube root of 4 plus 4 minus 2 gives me the cube root of 8 minus 2, which gives me 2 minus 2, which is 0. So I'll point there at 4, 0. Okay. Now, the next point to get a perfect cube root would be -12. And I'm not going to go off right here. I'm going to stay on this graph. So I'm going to do -10 just to do the last point on here. So that'll be the cube root of -10 plus 4 minus 2. So that will be the cube root of -6 minus 2, which that will give me 2 seconds. Alright, sorry, this will give me cube root of -6 minus 2, -3.8. Right, -12 would have given you -4. Which you could have always done as well. Okay. But now I have my cube root function. Okay. Again, domain and range is all real numbers. My end behavior will be as x goes to the right, the y is going up. As x is going to the left, my y is going down. Okay, my y is going down. All right, 11. We have a vertical stretch by 5. We have a vertical stretch by 5. We have that will be right 2. And that will be up 3. All right. So my first point will be right 2, up 3. Right 2, up 3. I'm going to do this in green. So 2, 3 is my first point. Next here, I'm going to plug in the x value directly to the right. I'm going to plug in 3. So that will be 5 times the cube root of 3 minus 2 plus 3. That's 5 times the cube root of 1 plus 3. So that will give me 8. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3 gives me 8. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So obviously this is going to be real big. Next I'm going to plug in 1. 5 times the cube root of 1 minus 2 plus 3. That's going to be 5 times negative 1 plus 3. So that will give me negative 2. Negative 2. All right, so next, I could go 10. I'll just go ahead and do 10, even though it'll be off the graph. And that'll give me 5 times the cube root of 10 minus 2 plus 3. That'll be 5 times the cube root of 8 plus 3. So that'll be 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 3, so that'll give me 13. So 10, 13 up here. And so next here, I'm going to do negative 6. Because if I do negative 6, that'll be 5 times the cube root of negative 6 minus 2 plus 3. 5 times the cube root of negative 8 plus 3. That's 5 times negative 2 plus 3. Negative 10 plus 3 gives you negative 7. So I got negative 6, negative 7. I got my cube root function there, okay? So again, domain and range is all real numbers. As my x goes to the right, the y is going up. As x goes to the left, my y is going down.